case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark 1981 case, the U.S. Supreme Court grappled with a complex free speech issue triggered by a city ordinance in San Diego that tightly regulated outdoor advertising. The Supreme Court found itself poised to make a pivotal decision on whether the rule infringed on First Amendment rights, as claimed by outdoor advertising companies who legally challenged the rule. The city of San Diego implemented the ordinance to improve traffic safety and aesthetics by minimizing distractions from outdoor commercial advertisements. Under this regulation, outdoor commercial advertising was largely prohibited unless it came under 12 specific categories of signs. This legal framework, however, was challenged by certain companies heavily reliant on outdoor advertising for their businesses. The dispute ultimately led to a lawsuit and subsequently a call for a Supreme Court review after the California Supreme Court upheld the ordinance. In its review, the Supreme Court differed from the lower court's ruling. While it largely upheld San Diego's ordinance, with the understanding that billboards can materially impact traffic safety and aesthetics, it split in its decision about non-commercial advertising. The court ruled that the blanket ban on non-commercial advertisements introduced by the ordinance was unconstitutional. The court held that while the city has a legitimate interest in regulating commercial speech for the sake of safety and aesthetics, non-commercial speech enjoys greater constitutional protections. It concluded that the city's blanket prohibition on non-commercial communications violated private interests in non-commercial speech, an infringement on First Amendment rights. Having made this critical judgment, the Supreme Court sent the case back to the California Supreme Court for reconsideration in light of their ruling. The landmark case highlighted the delicate balance that needs to be struck between public interest and individual rights, particularly in the context of commercial and non-commercial speech regulations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.